Today we're going to be trying the Crybaby Wax. Someone says hi. And so I already turned on the wax warmer, and as you can see, the light is red down here. And once it's green, it means that the wax is melted and it's ready to use. So now what I'm going to be using is a Red or Cry AHA exfoliant splash, and what this is going to do, it's going to get your skin ready and prepped for it to wax. So after applying the AHA exfoliant, I'll be using the talc-free powder to really dry out the areas and get it ready to wax. They also provide you with applicators, and today I'll be using the angled applicator for my eyebrows. Now that the light turned green, your wax should be at a honey consistency. And I'll also be applying it on my wrist just to make sure that the temperature is not too hot or too cold and ready to wax. So now I'm going to start waxing my eyebrows, and what I'm going to be using is hard wax. Hard wax for me personally is my favorite just because it's very, how do I say it, more easy on your skin versus soft wax. So hard wax, you'll be able to go over it more than once in case if you're still missing some hair, versus if you were to use soft wax, you can only go over it once, just because if you try going over it twice, it's really going to irritate your skin and maybe even cause a burning in your skin.